Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to look at something really different. It is not a licensed casting, but I really just wanted to show this to you guys. Yeah. So this one is from a brand called My Toys, and this is not a licensed casting, but let me show you something really cool once I open this one. And this one is, I think, it is specific to UAE alone because I can't able to find it anywhere else. So one of my friend Job Jose actually from UAE bought this one, bought these two pieces for me. So there was a lot available, but I personally got impressed by these two specific castings because this one is based out of Chevy Camaro and this one is based on Mustang. So after the 2015 edition. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So let's start with this one here. So the funny thing is, combined both of this, it costed me around like somewhere between 600 or so. That's it, nothing much. So it has some good detailing to it. To be very frank with you guys, so I think yeah, Gulf conformity mark. I think this one is specific to UAE. So as you guys can see here, the casting looks really beautiful. Let me just unscrew this one and see how this one looks throughout. So here is the first one, guys. So this is the base. It is screwed in the middle here. So it is this Lego connector kind of thing. Let's put this aside for a minute and look at the casting. See, the initial impressions of this casting are this one looks really beautiful. So there is some irregularity in the paint job here, but remember this, guys, this one is not licensed. But the paint job in this one looks really awesome, and it has rear view mirrors as well. There is some good detailing to it. I mean, look at this. See, it has rubber wheels, actually rubber tires. So the chassis is made of plastic, but the rims looks really awesome. So it doesn't look funny or anything. It just, see, the wheel ratio is really good, and it is not like the casting is big and wheel looks really small or anything like that. So it is really perfect. Okay, let's do a roll test on this one. No, it doesn't. It doesn't roll really well. So the front wheel wobbles a lot actually, but rear wheel is good. The casting looks really amazing. So the body is actually made of metal. So this looks like standard Hot Wheels car, but like a super treasure one. So let's unbox the second one, which is based on Ford Mustang. So if any of you guys from any other country, apart from UAE, heard about this particular brand, so drop me in the comments. And if any one of you guys own any of this casting from this brand, let me know how your experience was with this one, and what are the other castings you guys own. So here is the second casting. Okay, so let me tell you something, guys. Look at the details here. So this detailing looks really phenomenal, and being a non-licensed casting like this looks really beautiful. See, the only downside about this particular casting, these two castings, are it is not licensed. That's it. So rest of the things, it even has rear view mirrors, and I personally like the detailing on this one. So tires are actually made of rubber. The rims looks really nice. It's really well made. I never even saw Hot Wheels do such things, on the baseline. And you know, see, the wheels are actually, individually free rolling. It is not like both are connected in the same thing and same axle. And see, this one is really nice. So the body is actually made of metal and the chassis is plastic, and it does some kind of turn radius, I guess. So let's do a roll test on this one. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention one more thing. So these are mentioned as friction racers. So I'm not sure if, see, the one difference I saw was, if you just hold it here, push it with your hand and move it like this, it feels so different compared to you just roll it like this. Let's do this. Okay, this one rolls really well compared to this one, but both of these castings are really nice. I mean, you can give it to your kids, if you don't want them playing with your Hot Wheels or any other brands like this which we are having, which are very costly. You can buy these to them, and this is worth your money. That's what I can say. But if you ask me if it is better than Hot Wheels Premium, I can say it is not better than Hot Wheels Premium, but it is better than the main line, because see, the premium lines actually has metal chassis as well. This one doesn't have metal chassis, being that's being one of the drawbacks here. And rest of the thing, I can say, it matches pretty close to premium lineups, because it has great interior details to it, and exterior, even the body, paint and everything, it looks really beautiful. So yeah, in a way, this is, see, I can say 50% it is better than premium and 50% it is not. So the 50% better is the detailing, the rubber tires and the rims, they're having for each and every casting is different. Those looks really awesome. It looks really cool. All the detailing, the paint job, everything looks really beautiful. And the 50% not being, matching up to the level is, first one, it is not licensed, and second thing, it is not fully made of metal. The chassis is plastic. And see, I don't know about every premium, but some premium has the headlights and taillights and actually have some kind of fiber. So including the one which we recently unboxed, which is the Corvette. So yeah, I can say 50-50 on this one. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.